Discover the perfect name for your business YouTube channel, blog, website, or more in just 2 minutes. Have you ever wondered how some businesses have such catchy and unique names? Well, we have something, so make sure you stick around till the end of this video because we're about to reveal a tool that will change everything for you. Introduction. Welcome to Namelix, an AI-powered tool that generates unique, catchy, and brandable names for any venture. Let's dive in and see how it works. How to use Namelix. Just click on the description link and you will be on the Namelix website. Namelix is incredibly versatile and can generate names for a variety of ventures. Let's explore how you can use it to name a business, a YouTube channel, and a website. Generate business name. First, let's say we're starting a coffee shop. We'll enter coffee, brew, and beans. Namelix then shows some options, you can choose as you want. And finally, click the Generate button, then Namelix generates a list of unique names, checks domain availability, and even creates a logo. Generate YouTube channel name. Now, let's say you're starting a YouTube channel about travel. Enter travel, adventure, and vlog. Again, choose options as you like. Namelix generates a list of catchy names that would make your channel stand out. Generate website name. Finally, if you're creating a website about fitness, enter fitness, health, and lifestyle. Namelix will provide a list of available domain names that are not only catchy but also relevant to your website's theme. As you can see, isn't that amazing? With Namelix, naming your business is as easy as a few clicks. So, what are you waiting for? Give Namelix a try and discover the perfect name for your business. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tools and tips for your entrepreneurial journey. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep building.